Hey guys, and welcome back. So today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing this 4-port USB 3.0 Type-C hub. This works on all MacBook Pros, MacBook Airs, tablets, and other C-type devices. Alright, so we got this data transfer. It is a USB 3.0, meaning it is 10 times faster than the USB 2.0. This is a 4-port USB hub, 5-volt 2-amp power supply. It is used for multi-functions. You plug and play. It is broad capability. Works with Apple laptops, iPhones, Androids, hard drives, cameras, cell phones, keyboards, mouse, USB sticks, card readers, game controllers. You can see that this is a Type-C port, so this Type-C port works in any device that supports Type-C, which is everything these days. The data transfer speeds up to 5 gigabytes per second file transfers can be completed in seconds. The BC 1.2 charging protocol, it can be changed in smartphones. When changing high power or connecting an external hard drive, please use a Type-C power cable to connect to the hub. So right here, you've got the 4-place hub. So this can be connected to any devices. So now inside this box as well, we have a user manual. And the user manual also tells you the specs of this. It's compatible with Windows, Macs, Linux, Chromes, Androids, iOS. Supports devices like keyboards, mouse, card readers, speakers, USB fans, game handles, cameras, VRs, webcams, and drives. So you get a total of 3, actually this is a 4-port. It is 9.5 inches by 3.38 inches by 0.98 inch, so it is not very big. It's ultra thin volume, convenient to carry, travel, work, business on your trip. So if you're looking for a USB hub, something that's small and lightweight, that works across every platform, every devices, I would say go ahead and take a look at this one. This is a really nice device. It comes with a user manual and it is ready to go right outside the box.